Hello, my little beans. Fluffernutter again. I'm hoping you're having a good 4th of July. Enjoying all the fireworks. Speaking of which, we're going to have our own light show at my crib. We got a whole selection thanks to these lovely people down in Platt. We're going to have a grand old time. So, I suppose I'll be all, just stay tuned and enjoy the vid.
Here, do this one. You like both ends.
Let's see.
You have to put it down and light both ends. Huh. Are you not gonna do anything? Really?
Today,
Are you not gonna do anything?
woo! Just like a caveman, we created fire. Well, just got back in from having that all light show outside. Shit, I better take this off. That's enough lights for tonight. But yeah, hope you liked the nice show that we had outside, and see you next time, and stay tuned.